Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me. We're here to discuss um, about the virtualization. Let's jump in. Here are our learning objectives. It is noticeable fact that people are intended the process of communication. Using textual or voice communication is not enough interactive. As a result, many communicators tend to adopt a virtual reality, which allows them to virtually feel the other's correspondence during conversation or any other interactive games. Overview of virtualization. Virtualization initially began in the 1960s as a technique of logically separating the system resources provided by computers between different applications. However, in the recent era, virtualization can be termed as an act of forming a virtual set of something that includes computer hardware, storage devices, network resources, or any other application. It has been observed that in a computer system, virtualization has completely revolutionized the concept of computation in business. Purpose of virtualization. Virtualization is generally termed as a technology which is capable of converting any kind of hardware into a software technology. This process of conversation makes a system of virtualization more interactive and entertaining. Moreover, the main purpose of virtualization is that it is capable of running more than one operating system at a time. The process makes it easier for users to make the communication process more interactive. Next slide, how virtualization works. The course in which virtualization function is not too complicated as virtualization is only dependent on applications to stimulate the hardware operation by creating a virtual computer system. The process allows the IT companies to run multiple virtual systems on a single server. The hypervisor makes the operating system as a whole competent enough to support virtualization. As a result, it could be stated that virtualization in business communication is activated through a hypervisor. Okay. Types of virtualization. Full virtualization requires every relevant features of the hardware to be reflected in the virtual machine for virtualization process. In contrast, para-virtualization is a augmentation of virtualization technology in which guest operating system is installed inside a virtual machine. Moreover, operating system level virtualization refers to a OS characteristic in which the system uses its own OS to instigate virtualization. Okay, here are the types of virtualization: server virtualization, desktop virtualization, storage virtualization. Okay, let's dig in on those three first. Server virtualization is a method that separates the physical servers into numerous virtual servers by using application of virtual reality. Additionally, desktop virtualization is one of the best way of instigating virtualization through which users will use their ordinary desktop computer can initiate virtualization. Storage virtualization is a process of um, extracting data from hardware system and presenting it to the form of software. Okay, we move on to the next type of virtualization. Um, there's two more here: the hardware virtualization and software virtualization. Okay, hardware virtualization is termed as a virtualization of computer as a complete hardware platform based on assuring logical abstraction of their components required executing a variety of operating system. On the other hand, software virtualization is completely different from hardware virtualization, as a hardware virtualization requires physical components whereas software virtualization requires applications to execute and create virtualization. Moreover, software virtualization allows any computer system and its manager to easily manage their applications in a virtual environment. Okay, here examples of implementing virtualization. I listed a few here. Virtualization can be applied to different system and features. It can be used as a cloud system. It can be used as examination process. Can be used as smart devices. Can be integrated into gadgets. It can be used in healthcare settings. Okay, let's dig in more on these examples. There are many examples of applying virtualization in different type of field of life.